threw the Cheerios on Bonnie. That's okay. Can't do it. Can't throw it when you have the camera there. There you go. No, damn it.
She doesn't want to eat any of them.
Oh my god, it's so funny. Oh shit. Or crummy bed now.
On my side.